What's going on, guys? Kyle here from Guidewise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a table of contents in Google Docs. First, you need to go to each heading, select it, then select your text or styles drop-down menu and select a heading. So I'll go with heading 1. So you need to do that for all of your headings. Once you have done that, go to the section that you would like to add the table of contents to, then select Insert, go all the way down to Page Elements and then Table of Contents. You can then choose the style that you would like and then simply select it. Now you will see all of your headings appear in the table of contents along with the page number. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.